Students, I am Vijay Kumar Jha to teach you English grammar, class 8. Today's topic is listen to verb. In previous class, I had explained among you about sentence. You had learnt there are two parts of a sentence, subject and predicate. For predicate, verb is needed. So, I explain this time about verb means predicate. You have to be careful to understand it. I hope you must be well and enthusiastic to learn this. Now take care here. Verb. First try to understand what is verb. I mean verb is a word. A verb is a word that shows an action, state means अवस्था in Hindi, position or something done by subject. Means verb must shows action of doer. Suppose here Ram plays football. In this sentence, Ram is a noun and has become subject of this sentence. Like that, plays is a verb and football is object. Together this is known as predicate. Predicate. Now what do you see here? I mean verb works of predicate in the sentence and this verb alone clears the meaning of the sentence. That's why this is a main verb. Main verb means the verb that clears its meaning itself, that does not depend on other verb to clear its meaning. That's why plays is here main verb. What it is? Main verb, or you may say principal verb also. Like that, there are verbs. Just care here. I am a boy. What it is? I am a boy. He is tall. You have a pen. They had balls. Now care this sentence. In this sentence, I is subject and am is verb. Now tell me what it is. Is am a main verb or helping verb? What it is? Justify yourself. Am has come here not to help others. It is form of verb to be. Just care here. To be is a main verb and it is not written anywhere, my dear students. Instead you use is, am, are in present and in past you use was or were. This is the form of main verb to be. I mean you have to care here. If a verb helps main verb to clear its meaning, then that is helping verb. If the verb clears its meaning itself, then that is main verb. In this sentence, M clears its meaning, clears the sense of the sentence. It does not help anyone. That's why this is also a main verb. Care here. M is also a main verb that you use as a helping verb also. I mean, if it has been used before a main verb to clear its meaning, at that time it is helping. But if alone it clears the sense of the sentence, then it is a main verb. Like that, in this sentence, he is tall. In this sentence, is verb. It does not help other. It alone clears its meaning, sense of the sentence. That's why this is main verb. What it is? Main verb. Like that. You have a pen. Take care here. If there is main verb after it, if have works as helping verb of other main verb, then it is helping. But presently you have to take care, verb to have it is. What it is? Verb to have. That is a main verb. What it is? Main verb. Like that, it is also a main verb. And it is used with plural in the same way, but with singular subject it is used to has, and in past it is used in form of had. Means verb to have is used in the sense to show the possession on other thing. With singular use you have, with singular use has, and had is used with singular and plural both alike. So in this sentence it is main verb, not helping verb. Like that, had is also main verb, not helping verb. You have to keep in mind that the verb that clears its meaning itself is known as main verb, and if the verb means verb to be or verb to have is used to help main verb to clear its meaning, it is known as helping verb. Now I hope you would have understand what is main verb. Now what is main verb? Write down if you want. What is main? What is main verb? Now take care here. The verb that clears its meaning itself is known as main verb. As verb to be, verb to have, if it is used alone in the sentence, it is also known as main verb. As they are happy, you have a good sense. Have are main verb. So today, as your time is going to be over, so take care today that there are two types of verb, main verb and helping verb. Main verb, the verb that clears its meaning itself, that does not depend on any other verb to clear its meaning, is known as main verb. Verb to be and to have are also used as main verb if it has not been used for any other verb's help. Some more in the next class. Thank you.